Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel your J.Crew credit card. The easiest way to cancel your J.Crew credit card is by making a phone call to the customer service representative of J.Crew. Go ahead and open a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in jcrew.com and search. Once you get to the official website for J.Crew, from the main homepage, scroll all the way down and click on the Contact Us button right under Help. From the Contact Us tab, there are a couple of ways to contact to the J.Crew customer service. The first method is by making a phone call on this number. Go ahead and reach out to the customer service representative by calling on to this number is displayed on the screen. You can choose a number based on your region or location and then speak to a customer service representative and tell them that you'd like to cancel your J.Crew credit card. Be prepared to answer a security question and provide your account information, and then the customer service agent will guide you through the instructions. So that is how you will be able to cancel your credit card on J.Crew. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.